How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. So, are you having a problem on TikTok Shop not showing? So, all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application. And as you can see, I do have my TikTok Shop here. I do have TikTok Shop option here, and it looks like this. Now, if you do not have that feature, then there might be some reasons why you don't have that. First is you may have violated a policy on TikTok, because TikTok actually has this strict policy. So you may have violated it, and that's why you do not have that. The other reason is your application is outdated. Now, to check if your application is updated, all you have to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store, depending on what device you have there, and then search for TikTok. And as you can see, if you'll see an update button there, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And once it's updated, you can now go back here, and as you can see, you'll be able to see the application or feature now. Now, the other reason for that you do not have the TikTok feature is you may have the regional restrictions. That means your country does not have that feature yet. So no matter what you do, you cannot have that feature except if the TikTok community will actually agree on it, you can have that one. And the other reason is you may have a connectivity issue. So all you have to do is to make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi, or if you do not have a Wi-Fi or internet, then go to data and make sure that you have a strong data too to have that feature back on. Now, let's say you have done that and you still do not have that option, then what you're gonna do here is to go here to your profile and then click on the three dash lines here and go to settings and privacy. And then after going there, scroll all the way down up until you see support and about, and then tap on report a problem. So under report a problem here, you may want to create or search here, for example, TikTok shop. So here you have to go here to report a problem. Now all you have to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see submit a report. Now after clicking on that, all you have to do is to type there, let's say, can you fix, for example, this. You can put here, my TikTok shop is not showing, please help me fix this. Sorry for this. Now you can type there, my TikTok shop is not showing, please help me fix this. And then if you can, then please add a photo here or a screenshot that you do not have that feature, and then tap on submit here. And basically you just have to wait for the TikTok community to get back to you, and of course fix your problem. And basically that is it. That is the only way you can fix your TikTok shop not showing. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.